So this is a really fantastic platformer created by Dragon Mountain Design. It's called Turtle Monkey Trouble. And one thing that I love about it is that he designed and 3D printed his main character for this game. So that is Turtle Monkey, and Turtle Monkey is Trouble. So let's take a look at the game itself. Here it is. Let me get my keys straight. So, oh no, your friends have been captured and are locked up somewhere in the jungle. You've got to rescue them. But watch out for enemies and traps. Jump on the top to defeat them. Also, fire is very bad. Yes. All right, look at this. Look at this little turtle monkey. He's a monkey, he's a turtle. He's a monkey, he's a turtle. Monkey, turtle. And I can jump on this crab's head. Ha, take that, crab. So, I'm so impressed. Can you believe the quality of these games that we can create? Oh, don't die. Using MakeCode Arcade, and I'm sure this is a really fun one to play on a handheld as well. Now, Dragon Mountain Design said this is a beta, so there are probably still some unfinished bits to it. And I'm not going to go into how the game works, but I'll say two things. One, if we zoom out here, we can see the number of blocks. It's big, but it's not terrifying, and this is a pretty gettable game, so it might be a good example game to look at. And also, Dragon Mountain Design mentioned that he learned a lot about making this type of 2D platformer from the MakeCode Arcade, or the MakeCode team's YouTube channel. They have a tutorial series on making 2D platformers. So I recommend you go check that out if you like the looks of this kind of game, or if you like the looks of Turtle Monkey Trouble, which is my Game of the Week pick. How about that? How about that, Scott? What do you think of that? Scott and Todd have disappeared.
Cool.